So these are the front struts from 2017 Volkswagen Passat SEL. These are the original factory parts, and I removed them. Interesting, they are exactly the same. Left and right are the same. So you just buy one part and number if it goes in both places. That's convenient. I went ahead and disassembled the springs from the struts because I wanted to evaluate, how well the shock is actually working, and they barely do have any resistance. And one is different than the other, so that made handling a little weird. I was getting a cupping on the front tire, so I suspected these were at fault. And also I was getting a rubbing noise. So I wanted to see, these are the strut bearings. I wanted to see what's going on with the strut bearings. And this one sounds silent and smooth. This one sounds a little coarse. And so I want to open it up and see what's going on in there. There's a lot of little bearings, very tiny bearings. That's wild that that supports the weight of the front end of the car. Evidently they're worn out. And it's on, looks like it's metal on metal, but got some plastic. But when I would turn sharply, I would get like a binding sound. It almost sounded like the spring was rubbing. But I don't really notice any sign of that except maybe right here. Looks like it might be scraping a little bit. It was just on the driver's side. And this was the driver's side. And these are the boots, they popped off. These are the snubbers. They still seem to be in okay shape. And I was able to zip these nuts off and release the spring remotely in a safe way. But I wouldn't recommend doing that. It can be dangerous. It depends on the car. Sometimes they're under a lot of tension and it can really spring a long way, hurt somebody or yourself. But I was able to do it remotely. And there's also, I noticed, a color code here. I'm not sure what the color code means. Orange, green, yellow, yellow with a pink stripe. Looks like these are exactly the same parts too. So that's a look at the front struts. I just replaced it as an assembly. It was very convenient. And it just basically clamps down here. And this actually is a guide and a limit. This little tab here. They were very straightforward to replace. You just loosen things, pull it out, put the new one in. Having the struts come already loaded was a really nice feature. So you can see this thing, it just dives. Same with this one. This one makes a weird noise when it goes down. But evidently they had become worn out.